Guys, that behind me is the famous Southfork Ranch. That must mean only one thing. I'm on the set of Dallas. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Ultimate Bucket List, and today I'm here just outside of Parker, Texas at the world famous Southfork Ranch. Now, if you don't know what this place is, guys, this is the setting for the famous TV show Dallas.
Dallas. When you heard that epic theme song, you knew stuff was going to happen.
At the time, this wasn't only the longest TV show in American history, but possibly the world. This was shown in over 70 countries and translated in over 56 different languages. That's how popular this TV show was. Now, admittedly, guys, I was only a kid when I first started watching this, and I'll be honest, I didn't particularly understand it all that well, but I remember seeing it. And walking around here today, it's pretty surreal. When you get to the visitor center and therefore the gift shop, you're immediately guided to almost like a museum of Dallas paraphernalia. You get to see the gun that shot JR, you get to see JR's memorabilia, stuff from the cast and crew, including the reboot, which really wasn't as good as the original. And then you're led onto a tour bus. I say tour bus, it's actually a tour tractor, as it would be on a ranch. One thing's abundantly clear when you get here. It's a real ranch. Yes, there's animals everywhere. They've got llamas, they've got horses. Hey horsey. This horsey's pretty friendly. Hey horsey, how you doing? No? Okay. Horsey doesn't like me very much. They've got longhorns, lots of longhorns. And it's very, very clear that even though it's not a working ranch, it is a real ranch. The tour tractor stops you off at the famous house. You get a guided tour with a gentleman, and he tells you some very interesting facts about the TV series.
Do y'all know what a quarter horse is? Do y'all know what a horse is? Well, that's a good start.
It's pretty cool because you get to see all the rooms, and they're pretty much still intact from the original TV series.
Have you watched the new show, JR, you open the shop? And there's old JR right there. This eagle belonged to Larry Hagman.
Now, they didn't actually film the interior scenes in the house. The original owners of Southfork Ranch didn't want the film crews filming inside of the house. So everything on the exterior of the house definitely is what you see on the TV. However, every other scene, i.e. the interior or anything else, was actually done in a studio in California. So half of it was filmed here, half of it was filmed in California. But walking around here today, there's some pretty cool photo opportunities that you can get here. Here are some of mine. I seem to be the only person wearing a Stetson around here, apart from the people that work here. Might get mistaken for someone who actually works in this place. Oh, that's not good. But overall, it's pretty cool. Definitely see the house. That is probably the highlight. There's also a few other things that you get to see around here. You get to see the barns where some of the scenes were filmed. There's a party barn, there's JR's office, and believe it or not, Southfork Ranch is not just a ranch and a tourist attraction. It's also a convention center. You can have functions here. Hell, you can even get married here. So guys, if you've ever seen Dallas and you're in the Dallas area, you definitely have to come on by. You definitely have to add this to your bucket list. Okay, Nin, I want to come here. What do I do? Well, Southfork Ranch is about a half-hour drive away from downtown Dallas. Actually, it took me about 50 minutes to get here today due to traffic. The cost not horribly expensive, about $15 will get you a ticket on the tour here at Southfork Ranch. So if you do want to come on down here, it's only a half an hour drive, $15, but definitely if you did like the TV series, the original TV series, and even the reboots if that's your thing, come on down here to Southfork Ranch. Definitely worth a look for the nostalgia, but also because of the fact that it's actually authentic. Everything is real here, it's not staged. This is a real ranch, they are real animals, it's a real house, so definitely come on by here if you are a fan of the show. Guys, if you've enjoyed this episode, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Comment on the comment section below, and if you've got any other ideas for bucket lists, tweet them at me, and if I get enough requests, I'll be sure to give them a go. But in the meantime, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. This is a pretty cool place. I don't know if you think so, but I definitely do, and we'll see you in the next episode. The original owners of Southfork Ranch forbade every interior scene, on the other hand, was... If you have seen the episode and the tour tractor is just about to ruin my audio, I'm just going to wait. There we go. And I think I'm the only person that's actually wearing a Stetson today, so yeah, kind of feeling a little bit